culprit returns. You people, private company just like Woodland, holy is an unholy institute of oceanography or national oceanographic administration that criminal type NASA, which has been captured, or biological companies or vaccine production, all has been taken by this. If you can continue that bioengineering for viruses, developing for mutant strain research, you cannot verify your patent in your state of USA and other world. Why you have to believe on who, and who is not a center is a culprit. Now your Security Council represented by the five power is just like five criminals. If it is India, race can be divided forcefully under the misleading China's Islamic impostor satanic powers advices. Then India has become minor to China, but practically India has played role important whole one. The ancient world, whatever glorious, that is Indians glorious. Archaeology is related to the Indian name. Orcom, Hindu, Manu, Ra, Greece, Girish, Shiva, Siberia, Kedar, Mecca, Omka, Kaaba, Hindu, Asia, Mallo, Asia, Malaysia, Korea, Japan, America, Peru, Chile, Sumeru, Pimeru, Babylonian, Chaldean, Hittite, Old Egypt, Sudan, civilization of Indian civilization. Now you are not believe the truth on the Veda speak, that description, the teaching, Upanishad, and that Ramayana, Mahabharata epics, on which base Einstein give the gravitational theory without proving that existing of the gravitation power, how that power is working. Unless Heisenberg, that real people and Hitler to say those, he was totally borrowed that concept from Indian Vedas, Upanishad, epics, Ramayana, Mahabharata, and then Gita, etc., etc. What I have trying to recite my Gita, and if it is that possible, you allow me, that anyway, pest and nuclear reactor pathogen, sea handling, artificial intelligence and digital handling cannot go remain any private company, and this has becoming giant killer, mass killer, and that engage in this unless you are not paying attention. How you can block presidents, and if the president was in real power and the real position, then you like Satan could not have come into the USA. You criminal does not know that earlier conspiration, and this coronavirus develop, it is not a natural phenomena. If it is natural phenomena, idiot, you people how can brought strain from gathering, and China has quickly to control their infection, you are not unable. Idiot, why vaccine is needed? Without vaccine, you have to show that China like caliber to control your disease. China is the top economist, he has not halted any functions. He is threatening your military power. So that China is not hindered their activity and then economically top. He has not reported that his job has been lost in such extent that India bastard today where that supposed disease, swine influenza, etc. has not got such havoc, but that has equally death caused that USA and India, Brazil. That is horrible, horrible, horrible man-made killing, comorbidity, mechanical killing, and pathogen spreading, and the climate, fogginess, what they are doing in my this CCTV. You can see this people to hinder me to report all this fogginess. You see this fogginess. Still this fogginess, 3-day continuous destructive fogginess created. And they say the next one. They say these people, you see this Einstein is becoming sometimes crippled, sometimes kept relieved, then he is become enthusiastic. Unless in such a way they are being put into trouble, they are not even to speak, to complain, who is doing their wrong against them. Unless you show that this, how thrift these people. उधर वो खेल रहा है देखो, इधर खेल रहा है वो जो देखो, how they are देखो, सब enjoyers, each and everybody enjoyers, not now happy because they have to look in me. तो मामू को कुछ नहीं कहले, Einstein, oh तुम्हें नोटी हो ना, you have the great thinker, you great thinker बेटा, you great thinker, hey, you are great thinker, you look me, is to ignore me, because he is wise, he know this all this thing. So you see these people, no, it know ये जाता, ओ फिर उधर चले गए ना, उनको अभी वो मजाक कराए थे मिट्टी फ्रॉम अंडर नी दे आर इम्प्रूविंग द पीपल्स, नो वेरी बैड कोई था वो। हम अब देखोगा कल के जैसे मैं उसको कीनूँ खोलूँ तो देखो हम दिखाएगा, ओ देखो ना तो ऐसे कैसे ना, ओ देखो বলে ইয়ে খেলু এখনই যে রানি আই টু গো, মামি দেখো তো লাইট আইছে।